ever imagined escaping the summer heat in your very own bamboo-shaded sanctuary? Picture stepping through a graceful bamboo gateway, the world behind you falling away as you're enveloped in cool green dappled light. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a tiny urban patio, bamboo fencing brings an instant sense of calm. Today, we will explore the 3 main bamboo fence styles in our Japanese culture. Number 1 will be Takegaki, A, bamboo rail fence that has horizontal or diagonal bamboo rails lashed between upright posts. It creates a semi-open screen and filters light to maintain airflow. This style is perfect for framing garden edges and guiding footpaths. Number 2, Yotsume-gaki, A square lattice bamboo fence. It has a grid pattern lattice of thin bamboo strips and offers privacy while still allowing light and air, in which it brings an elegant, intricate look. This style is ideal for patio screens or as a backdrop for climbing vines. Number 3, Sōgaki, which is a woven bamboo privacy fence. Tightly woven thin bamboo strips creating an almost solid screen for maximum privacy and a smooth, uniform appearance. This style is great for pool enclosures, tight-spaced screening, or urban balconies. Gone is the plain wooden slat fence, replaced by the elegant simplicity of a Takegaki, the classic bamboo rail fence that has framed Japanese gardens for centuries. As you walk along the winding gravel path, each pair of horizontal bamboo rails guides your eye toward a humble stone lantern nestled among ferns and hostas. But this isn't a centuries-old temple garden in Kyoto. It's your own urban sanctuary, built with your own hands. Let me tell you the story of how Takegaki brings both form and function to a modern residential yard, and explain the secret that holds it all together, known as lashing. Takegaki literally means bamboo fence, and is deceptively simple. A series of smooth, natural yellow bamboo poles cut to length, lashed between upright posts. Yet it's this very simplicity that makes it so striking. In traditional gardens, Takegaki serves 2 purposes. It defines space without closing it off completely, and it harmonizes with the living elements around it, letting air and light dance through while lending structure to your design. At the heart of Takegaki's craft is what is known as lashing, the art of securely binding each horizontal rail to its post using rope or wire. In Japan, traditional gardens use sisal hemp rope, known for its strength, natural look, and UV resistance. Lashing isn't just about function. It's a technique that becomes decorative in its own right. Each lash is a small ceremony, a moment when your hands connect bamboo to wood, tradition to your own personal touch. Over time, the rope weathers to a soft grey, and how the knots become part of the fence's patina, proof that this isn't mass-produced plastic, but a living, breathing structure you built with intention. This is why Takegaki endures, even in your bustling city neighborhood. It's simple yet profound. A fence built not just to enclose, but to invite. And lashing with its humble rope and care-filled knots is the gentle secret that holds it all together. Bamboo to post, tradition to home, you to your own personal sanctuary. Now for the Yotsume-gaki style. It literally means 4-eye fence, a reference to the little square eyes created where each horizontal and vertical bamboo slat crosses. In traditional Japanese gardens, this lattice fence does more than mark territory. It offers filtered privacy, a delicate balance of openness and enclosure. You see through it, but only just, glimpses of mossy stones, flowering azaleas, or a quietly bubbling Tsukubai water basin beyond. When we first imagine this fence, we picture a backdrop for potted ferns and climbing jasmine vines. Over time, the Yotsume-gaki fence has become more than wood and bamboo. Jasmine vines thread through the squares, their white blossoms spilling fragrant confetti across the lattice. In time, nested small potted azaleas are at its base, their blooms peeking through the grid. At dusk, a soft uplight behind the fence transforms each square into a glowing frame, spotlighting a single leaf or flower in miniature portrait. This is the quiet magic of Yotsume-gaki, a structure as much about what it reveals as what it conceals. It anchors your garden's design, lends a subtle rhythm to the space, and reminds you that beauty often resides in the simplest of patterns, 4-inch by 4-inch windows onto serenity. And finally, picture a cool breeze that drifts through your urban oasis as twilight settles over the fenced courtyard. Before you stands the Sōgaki, the woven bamboo privacy fence whose dense hand-woven reeds form a nearly impenetrable screen. It's more than a barrier. It's a living tapestry that transforms your garden into a secluded retreat, even amid the city's hum. The Sōgaki fence could be your gateway to serenity, blocking out traffic noise and nosy neighbors, yet breathing with the seasons. At the heart of Sōgaki is weaving, the meticulous interlacing of thin bamboo strips, known as reeds, to create a solid yet textured wall. Unlike simple post and rail fences, Sōgaki's strength and beauty lie in the tightness of its weave. The Sōgaki fence becomes a canvas for your garden's changing moods. In spring, climbers like wisteria and moonvine find purchase in the weave, draping soft blossoms across the fence's face. Summer evenings see fireflies flickering against the dark bamboo backdrop. Autumn's golden light casts a warm glow on the subtle ridges of each reed, and in winter a dusting of snow outlines every weave, turning the fence into a delicate lacework. Beyond its practical privacy, Sōgaki offers an invitation. Lean close, trace a finger over the woven pattern, and feel the centuries of tradition beneath your fingertips. In waving this fence, you didn't just build a boundary, you wove a living story. And there you have it, the top 3 bamboo fencing styles to transform any outdoor space into a Japanese-inspired sanctuary. From the open-air elegance of Takegaki's rail fence, to the delicate geometry of Yotsume-gaki's square lattice, and the secluded serenity of Sōgaki's woven privacy screen, each style brings its own unique rhythm of light, shadow, and texture. Whether you crave airflow and view corridors, filtered privacy with geometric flair, or a solid barrier that breathes with the seasons, bamboo fencing offers endless possibilities and a hands-on gateway to serenity. Which bamboo fence will you end up building? Tell us your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey and found this inspiring through bamboo design, give us a like and be sure to subscribe for more sakura and stone Japanese garden inspiration. I will now leave you on a visual journey through the beautiful Japanese gardens. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.